Butter makes everything better. First things first. All right, so today we're making tuna butter. Stick with me, it's delicious. Essentially, it's just a compound butter. And if you don't know what a compound butter is, typically it's made with herbs, but you can use any ingredients. You just mix it in with some butter. Sometimes it's formed in like those round logs and finished on steaks and baked potatoes, but really you can use it for anything. It just adds extra flavor. It's delicious. Like I said, butter makes everything better. What can't butter do?
I'm shaving with it. Oh, Moses, smell the roses. Oh, Jerry, it's vastly superior to any commercial shaving cream. I mean, the shave is close and clean, and the natural emollients keep my skin silky smooth.
Let's start with two ingredients that I will suggest you try and get the highest quality that you can: the butter and the tuna. I like a good tuna brand like Rio Mare, packed in olive oil, and the tuna is a great tasting, high quality tuna. And you can definitely taste the difference. For the butter, try and find a butter that has 84% butter fat. I'd also go unsalted as well, so you can just control the seasoning as you go. Let's drain the tuna, and you'll still get some leftover olive oil, and the tuna is flavored by that olive oil. So there is a reason to get a tuna packed in olive oil, even though we're not gonna use all of the oil. Did I say oil a lot? Yeah. Place the tuna in a food processor. Now cut up 220 grams of softened butter. I love butter, it's one of my favorite ingredients, and a good quality butter is everything. And as a self-proclaimed expert in butter, please don't use the fake stuff. I will know, and I will find you.
What is your area of expertise?
Well, I can tell the difference between butter and I can't believe it's not butter.
No, you can't, Mr. Simpson. No one can.
Well, that makes two of us then. Add the butter to the food processor, and because my food processor is on the smaller side, I'm gonna pulse it up a bit just to make some room for the rest of the ingredients. Now, for the rest of the ingredients, this can be all to taste. I'm gonna add 2 small anchovies and 2 small Calabrian chilies that you're just gonna finely chop up and add to the food processor. Next, finely chop up some fresh parsley, and then we're gonna go with a bit of fresh lemon zest and then season it with salt. Then give a pulse until you reach your desired consistency. I like a really smooth consistency, almost like a whipped butter. Give a taste and adjust any seasonings. Now, before we butter up some bread, I got a joke.
Here we go. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Buddha.
Buddha who?
Buddha this bread for me, won't you?
Great.
I need something to wipe my hand.
No, there's butter on my
That was
desk.
melting.
Now, after I shot this video, I made some ricotta agnolotti and used the tuna butter as the sauce, and we all loved it. So get creative. It's a great accompaniment to a charcuterie board as well, and will definitely get your guests talking. So plate this up, finish with some nice flaky salt on top, some toasted bread, and bring it to the table. Okay, this is really good. It's dangerous because it's a lot of butter at the end of the day. As much as I want to eat and as much as I want to put on this bread, you just can't. It's a lot of butter, but it is delicious. I'm gonna find many ways to use this, but right now it's perfect on a piece of bread. Oh, this is dangerous. I hope you give this recipe a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.